Good day, everybody. We got an Audi here. Customer had a flat tire and had to get it safely off the highway, so this is what happened. So now we're gonna replace it and put the spare on, but the spare is weird for this. This is an Audi. What kind of Audi it is? It is a Quattro Q5. And look at the spare. Airless. Never seen one of these spares before. But this is what we got to put on. So, let's see how it fits. It says for temporary use only, 50 miles an hour max. And I don't know how much air it's supposed to take, but it looks like it's inflating. Is that too much air?
Yeah. A little too much air.
It says inflate to 350 kPa max.
It's about 30 pounds, right?
So that's 35.
Where is it at? Really never seen that like this.
Nope, and it's scary. It's sketchy. Those tires are dangerous. And it just got to 30. That's sketchy.
See, Brandon, you would have to know because, you know what I'm saying?
Audi did it because they want to save space in the trunk. So it's like a space saver tire.
Oh. People reuse it over and over.
Yeah. If it's not damaged. But they say not to drive on it for long.
Okay.
Just got to 30. I wonder if I should put more in there. Let me go down on the jack. Sorry. Let me see how much. Stand back a little bit. Okay. Yeah. So let's put it. Driving on it. I'm just looking at it to make sure it's good. Yeah, it's good. That's why they say don't go over 50 miles an hour. No, just set your cruise control to like 45. There you go. You too, drive safe. Yeah, I think she good.